Welcome to week 2. First of all, congratulations on completing week 1. You've made amazing progress, and now we're ready to take your website design skills to the next level. Are you ready? Let's dive into today's exciting lesson. Let's learn about the parallax effect. One of the coolest ways to make your website stand out is by using the parallax effect. This effect creates a sense of depth and motion on your page, making your website feel more like a 3D experience. It's super fun and interactive. Exercise 1. Add the parallax effect. Here's how to add the parallax effect to your website. Choose your background pick, which image you want to use this effect on. Find the parallax setting. Click in the top left. Press on the cog that pops up. This will open up on the detail editor on the left side. Look for the parallax option in the settings menu. Turn it on, switch on the parallax effect. Press apply changes and watch the magic happen. Your turn. Time starts now. Choose a background and add the parallax effect. Let's learn about padding. Padding is a simple but super important tool that helps make your website look neat, organized, and professional. Keeps things neat. It creates an organized and professional look that's easy to follow. Improves design. By adjusting padding, you control how far or close content is from the edges, making your website visually balanced and polished. Step by step, go to the top left corner, find the block you want to adjust, and click on the little cog icon that appears. Open the detail editor. This is where you'll find all the tools you need. Locate the padding section. Look for the options labeled padding top, padding bottom. Choose your padding. Pick how many pixels of space you want to add. Tip: start with smaller numbers, like 10 to 20 pixels, and adjust as needed. Apply your changes. Once you've chosen the padding, scroll down and press Apply Changes. Save your work. Click Save Now in the top right corner to lock in your edits. Preview your changes after saving. Take a look at your website. Does it look more balanced? Are the blocks easier to read? If needed, go back and adjust until it looks just right. A slideshow or slider is a part of your website where pictures or messages appear one at a time, like flipping through a photo album. It's fun, eye-catching, and keeps visitors interested in your site. Setting up a slideshow, step by step. Go to the block section. Drag and drop a slideshow onto your page. Click on the top of the slider. A cog icon will appear in the top middle of the slider. Click it. The detail editor will open on the right side of the screen with the following options: style link, images, slider, click, images. Click Open Image Library. Choose the image you want from the library. Click Use and then Insert in the bottom right corner. Click Apply Changes in the bottom right. Finally, click Save in the top right corner. And do the same thing if you want to change the other slides. How to change animations. In the detail editor, now pick other options slider. Then pick between fade or slide. Then press Apply Changes and Save Now. Preview your slideshow. Check how it looks and make adjustments if needed. Add fun text. Write short, fun captions for each slide to grab attention. Remember, you can use it to showing cool products or pictures. Highlight your best photos or new items, announcing sales or events. Let visitors know about discounts, sales, or special offers. Sharing contact details. Add a slide with your phone number, email, or address. Now, it's your turn. Add a slideshow to your website. Upload pictures or messages and choose fun animations. Preview your slideshow and watch your website come to life. Sign up forms on Xylo. Within the Xylo platform, there are many different types of sign-up forms that you can add to your website. Each form serves a specific purpose, such as registration forms, subscription forms, and more. Let's walk through how to use them. How to add and edit sign-up forms. 1. Go to Blocks. On the left side of your screen, click on Blocks. 2. Find sign-up forms. Scroll through the options until you find the sign-up section. 3. Choose a form. Browse through the available forms and pick the one that best suits your needs. 4. Drag and drop. Drag the form to the desired location on your web page. How to edit the form. If you'd like to change what the form asks for, e.g., adding a field for surname instead of just email. Here's how you can do it. 1. Select the field to edit. Click on the field you want to change, e.g. the email field. 2. Open the detail editor. After clicking on the field, a small cog icon will appear in the top left corner of the field. Click it. This will open the detail editor on the right side of the screen. Third, edit in the detail editor. In the detail editor, you'll see 2 sections. Style input. Click on input. You will see the following input options. Type. Select what type of information the field should ask for. Here are your options. Email. Use this if the form is asking for an email address. Number. Use this if the form is asking for a number, e.g. age, how many times they visit the gym. Password. Use this if you're asking for a password. Tell. Use this if you're asking for a phone number. Text. Use this for asking for someone's name, surname, etc. URL. Use this if you're asking for a link. ID. This is where you define what the field is asking for. For example, if you're asking for the email, you would enter email. If you're asking for the name or last name, you would enter those. Name. Enter what you want the field to be labeled as, e.g., name or email. Placeholder. This is the placeholder text that shows up in the field before someone types in it, like your name or your email. Make sure it matches what you're asking for. Example, changing from email to surname. Let's say you want to change the form to ask for the user's surname instead of the email. Here's how you do it. Change the type from email to text. Change the ID from email to name. Change the name from email to name. Change the placeholder, text, from your email to your name. Task. Customize your sign-up form. Now, pull a sign-up block onto your website. Change it so the form asks for email on the first field and last name on the second field. The final challenge for today. Now it's time for the last part of today's lesson. Here's what you need to do. Close your website. Go back to the hub. Go to the top right of the screen. Press on the 3 dots. Then press exit. Delete your website. Yes, you heard that right. You'll need to delete the website you've been working on. Press on the bin icon, then press delete forever. Don't worry, this is part of the learning process, and you'll rebuild an even better website next time. Why are we doing this? When you come back for the next lesson on Wednesday, your tutor will guide you through building a brand new website. This time, you'll use everything you've learned so far, adding blocks, using functions like slideshows, pop-ups, and padding, making your site look organized, creative, and professional. By starting fresh, you'll practice all your skills again and become even better at website building. See you on Wednesday.